Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a brand new, fresh from the crate, 2023 Yamaha MT-09SP edition. This motorcycle is brand new and will be prepped to go once it has been sold. So let's take our walk around it and we'll show it to you today. So they call this liquid silver and raven. Show you the dashboard here. Alright. This 2023 Yamaha MT-09SP edition is brand new and fresh from the crate. This motorcycle will be prepped to go once it has been sold. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.